She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty little beef and potato empanadas that are easy and quick to whip up, but so flavorful and flaky and delicious. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make these flaky and irresistible beef and potato empanadas. You can fill them with whatever flavors you like, but in this case, the beef and potatoes are going to make for an irresistible, flaky, and delicious empanada. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so these are the golden and flaky beef and potato empanadas. As you can see, that pre-made pie crust made for a wonderful and flaky dough. You can make your own dough if you like, but in this case it's a lot quicker and easier. Go ahead and fill them with whatever flavors you like. The meat, cheese, and potato worked for me in this case, so it was definitely a delicious bite. But go ahead and make it your own and give it a try. You definitely won't be disappointed. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you love empanadas. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.